Alrighty, and this is going to be talking about computer connection to the tower site. Computer connect to transmitter site GSC3000 unit, which is just the remote control. Okay, I just say the name though to distinguish it so that people understand that there's a computer and there's a remote control unit. They're not in the same box. Well, anyways, to make a long story short, you have to have an internet connection that doesn't have a lot of firewall action going on, which most don't, but I'm just saying sometimes firewalls prevent this from working. Download type VNC, install it on your computer, install viewer only, unless you want to set your computer up as a remote server, but that's a different story. You can install viewer only. Then go to Start Programs, Viewer, throw it to your desktop, and then or start it from there. And then type in the IP address that's in the document, followed by what port number it is, but the transmitter's on port 1. The audio backup computers, I believe, is on port 0, but that will be a different topic. And then the password is listed there. Now you're connected to the computer at the tower. Your computer is controlling another computer, and on that computer at the tower, there's software running that's connected to the remote control unit. So you have a window within a window within a window, so to speak. Well, anyways, that should always be running. If it's not, when you're out there, someone's going to start it to make sure that it's always running, the Getner control software. And that's the computer control of the transmitter. And spent a lot of time going through all that stuff on there. But there's the two main things is you can raise and lower the power of the transmitter. You can turn the transmitter on and off. You can switch the audio switcher from web stream to over the air or local computer over the air. Same switching going on there. So in other words, the studio is totally bypassed. In the event of a studio failure or a T1 failure, you do that through the remote control interface. The computer connection, and I've got a separate document that talks about all that, and I'll be sending that off. But first, you got to understand what's happening there is that you're going to backup audio. Because either the STL, the studio transmitter link, which is the T1, same thing, phone line, audio, studio, tower, audio, back and forth, because the satellites come back, if it's gone or if the audio vault is stopped. So that document just talks about how to set up that connection on your computer, and then you want to save, and it explains how to do this. Right-click on the toolbar, hit Save connection info as a VNC file session, and then you save the password with that, and then on your desktop or in your My Documents folder you can just click on it and you're connected or not connected. If your internet's down, the internet's down at the tower, if those two conditions, either one is a problem, then you won't connect. And sometimes the internet is down at the tower. The way to determine that is to go to a computer at the tower, see if it's on the internet. The internet at the tower is a wireless DSL connection, white 1-foot dish, 100 foot up the tower. Points to atoms. There is no wired internet. It's a wireless dish that comes down to the back room and then goes to a modem in the back room, then it comes over to the rack. The main thing for that is for computer control and audio backup. For the web stream to get out there. Well, that about covers this one.